Oh my
So
God, seriously. See, like you were working 2 years without any money, brother. Seriously,
yeah,
this is much, and you have a great knowledge. So right now you are doing in a film industry, you are doing a job still about cameraman.
no, I am a third assistant in that group because there is section, many section
Yeah.
divided. Uh,
Okay.
one people, my actually my team was doing only reality show, not movie.
Okay.
Like reality show, every Saturday, Sunday on
Yeah.
Star Plus and other
Yeah.
channels, dance show, singing
We can
show.
call, we can call to like the Kapil Sharma show and like KBC and some kind of reality show also. So like that you are doing. Okay, that's
Yeah,
great.
I
Interesting,
did
brother.
many show. Yeah, I did
Okay.
many show. And then suddenly Corona has came and everything.
Yeah. Yeah. Everything is shut down, brother. Unfortunately. So, brother, like you have been struggling is too much about film city, and so what did you learn in your life in here? Like it's too much struggling, and what did you achieve? Still, yet we can say like what was your previous life, and right now how's feeling your life? Like am I going to right way and wrong way? Because I heard about in film industry, brother, it's too much partiality. It's too much like a nepotism is going on,
Right,
boycott and
right,
nepotism is
absolutely.
going on. So right now what is the situation about film industry?
Yeah, I accept your point because many times I feel that situation because
Yeah.
I was working in a, don't mind, I was working in my my group. In my group, all people are Maharashtrian, and I am a
Yeah.
single person in Bihari. So
Okay.
sometimes I feel like because
Yeah.
yeah, so
Yeah,
but
what
I
happened that moment,
uh,
like you feel too much problem about understanding, because all of guys they belong to Maharashtrian, and they sometimes they try to communicate it, they try to use a Marathi language, and
yeah.
maybe you felt some difficulty problem about to speaking part, like you would try to use like some Bihari language something. It's happened, brother, it's happened with everyone. So you struggle too much, and you prove that like I'm also part of this life, I'm also one of this life, one of you know so I salute you, brother, you manage many things. So tell me, continue. Yeah.
Only because my it is my personal opinion. If you have dream, you 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 if you have this dream, you can you can survive all any time
Yeah.
because you if you do any work, your vision is clear.
Okay.
That time this is uh, only not full life. This time is I never come in my mind what
Yeah. Yeah.
you can.
Yeah, I can understand, don't worry, brother, like because I saw we can say I'm living here last 20 years, so I knew that what's going on. And see, brother, everyone have a own dream, like lots of people, outsider people, they try to visit here in Mumbai, they have a good dream, they always talk about like I want to become an actor, I want to become a businessman, I want to like that, this that thing. Everyone have a own dream, but if you talk about like fulfill our dream, it's too much struggle, we can say too much problem. Whenever we start, for example, if I tell you in film industry, brother, who have a dream about I want to become actor and actress, so those people face a too much problem. Seriously, I saw many struggle, actor and actress, still now they are struggling as a squad boy, as a lighting department, as a cameraman, as a like reel, they are struggling too much. They always have a one chance, like at least get a one chance, then I will prove that. But they didn't get a one chance in a film industry, brother, because it's too much competition is going on,
Yeah,
day by
Samir, if you talk with any person, any people,
Mm.
In this city, every person has own story.
Yeah,
You know,
right.
yeah, because this city name is Dream of City.
Yeah,
So
dream of, we
every
call dream city.
there is survive only who is person they have dream. That person is
Yes,
survive in this city because if you don't have dream, you cannot survive this city.
right,
You cannot
right.
grow big grow in your life.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah. So my this is my consumptions and this is my observing this city. If you
Yes.
have dream, you can stay this city and you can achieve everything.
Yes.
This city never sleep without food. This city never
Yeah,
sleep without food. This is a
right,
big.
brother. See, bro, if you struggle yourself in here, definitely this city will give a like good result, and you can, you can fulfill your dream, whatever you want. And I heard about, brother, whoever is struggling 100%, give 100%. Definitely one day those people get a good result. One
Good.
day they become a like, success person. Sorry for that. We can give an example like Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Oh my
Do you know?
God. He's my
He was,
experience.
yeah,
He was
he
he
proved
was
that.
he was did many job and many things.
Yeah,
Like it's a person ignore him. If he say any person I am doing what meaning and I am doing that thing, many production house and many direction departments are rejected.
yes, of course. Even
But
even he proved that like how we struggle and how we get a success, because if you talk about, he don't have a good personality. He do not look like, proper actor, and we can say like some modeling, but he has a new skill. He has a good, something power to, he can prove that I want to also become an actor. And his dialogue, his acting, it's like outstanding. Right now we can give a good example like Nawazuddin Siddiqui. He's a great success person. If you talk about his movie, like I don't remember when he debuted in a Bollywood industry. We can say in I don't remember first movie, but I remember that like when he get a chance, as a side role, that
as well,
moment.
I saw his
Yeah,
movie, uh, uh, Amir Khan production Talash. The Talash
I
movie.
think he got a role one about one
Thief,
one drunk person, one kind of
drug person
alcohol
and thief,
person.
thief. Alcohol
Yeah.
person and thief.
So he
Yeah.
was doing a behind, he was doing a side role. Then after that, a director and producer, like they concentrate, he has a some skill. Then they try to give a more. And he proved that about Gang of Wasipur, whenever he got a second movie, like Gang of Wasipur for second,
Yeah.
third, he seriously he did a well performance in that movie. Then he reach a top of, brother. Right now we can say in Bollywood industry, he's a great person to, became a success person. We can give a good example. Really, he's a great person. And if you talk about
Was
second one, like Shahid Kapoor, he was also background dancer. He
background
was also
dancer.
dancer. So we
Yeah.
can say, brother, lots of people have a dream. They try to fulfill. They give 100%, but one day definitely come. They will get a chance and they will become a success.
Success.
Seriously. So always do hard work. Without hard work, without a struggling, brother, we will never get a success. Don't believe a luck. Believe a hard work.
Hard work. Right.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. I agree with your point. Because I remember one situation. One day I was working in Kapil Sharma show. I not much episode. My team was shoot only 2 and 3 episodes. So and I want that time I wanted tea. So I go for airport boy and meet. I told him I want tea. So can you make me? And the uh, the tea staller when the tea staller they told me a story. One day the Kapil Sharma came with me and he told me make a tea. That time I ignored everything.
Okay.
But right now he has a everything.
Oh
So
my God. Yeah, see, brother,
can I
time.
speak Hindi?
Yeah,
मैं आपको हिंदी कैन आई स्पीक यू
yeah.
एडिट एडिट वो टी स्टोर अंकल ने मुझे बताया कि एक समय ऐसा था जब कपिल शर्मा कुछ भी नहीं था और वो चाय
Mhm,
मांगने आते थे तो हम लोग इग्नोर करते थे
mhm.
जब उसके पास कुछ नहीं था लेकिन आज
We say today, where is he? Where is his level? Seriously, he's the top of comedian show, man. Seriously,
तो
he also get a good success because he struggled before. If we talk about his life 10 years ago, he was just playing like on a stage in a Punjab and some kind of like drum sector
हाँ
over there. I don't remember, but he struggled herself. He tried to develop personality development. We can say he struggled ourselves. We can say he struggled own self, and he proved that like I want to become a comedian person.
या
Then he started some like some acting. Then he started his struggle about like comedy side role and side actor. Then after that like he got a movie also, and right now like we can give a good example. He also get a we can say like he's a top level brother right now. He's a
लेवल
top
ही
comedian and yeah,
वन ऑफ
actor,
द वन ऑफ
person.
one of your he I think he is a change thinking of person in India in a comedian
Yes.
before 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 uh, before that nobody nobody think I am a become a comedian because comedian life is very
You know,
tough. But when he
if
came,
yeah.
when he
Mhm.
came and he suddenly changed the whole.
Yeah. you know
So,
if we talk about like 15 years ago, that moment like people were thinking like comedian and a movie actor and actress and film, it's like bullshit. This thing we can say it's like a waste of time, nothing work, nothing career here. But right now lots of people are trying to participate, lots of people are trying to make a career like acting field, comedian field, modeling field. Time is change, brother. Time change. Day by day,
yeah,
we are trying to improve ourselves. We are developing ourselves. We are giving 100%. We are giving our best, whatever we have a talent, like comedian, actor, actress, modeling, and any kind of speech also. Cameraman, side role, anything. Whatever we have a talent, we are trying to struggle. If we give 100%, we will get a good result, and one day definitely everyone get a success, brother.
yeah, right.
Always try to pursue your dream. Always try. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up, show up, but never give up.
Never give up. Right.
See, everything is easy when if you are feel too crazy. Nothing is easy if you are feel too lazy. So depend on
Okay.
you, brother, like how we are feeling about crazy and lazy. If you feel lazy, you will never become a success. If you feel too crazy, no, this is my passion, I want to do that, definitely one day you will get a success. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
whatever we do, always just try to make an interest, brother. Always just try to make an interest, like this is my interest, this is my hobby, this is my life, this is my career. Then you can get a success, you can achieve whatever you have a dream, so you can achieve. So always try to make an interest. Interest is very important for that. Without interest, for example, like I want to talk with you, I'm having a conversation, I'm not interesting, so next time I will never do that. Next time I will never do,
Never. Right.
because I'm interesting about talking. So if I make an interest, brother, then regular basis I try to talk with stranger. I try to improve myself. I try to more connect about video calling, audio calling, because this is my interest, brother. That's why I'm doing. So
Okay.
same thing, our career, brother. If you have an interest, definitely you will make a good career. So depend
Yeah,
on
right.
you. Yeah.
I,
Seriously,
I,
bro,
I,
I'm happy with you because you are doing hard work and you are living Mumbai, and you are giving hard work. Why I'm telling, because you struggle 10 years, then 2 years. I mean in this day struggling too much, and I knew that in film industry, brother, what's going on. So I salute you, brother. I hope so you will get a good success, whatever you want about modeling, cameraman, actor, definitely you will get one day. Don't worry. But at least try to struggle, brother. Seriously, I hope so. I'm going to wish you, you will get. Don't worry, okay?
Thank you so much.
Believe
Thank you so
yourself
much.
too hard. Yeah.
Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible.
Yes.